Alright, wanted to show you guys the differential out of my Revo. It's just a Nitro 2.5 chassis, and it was, well, I have the OS21 on there. But anyways, when I was braking, I was having a clicking sound. If I locked the tires up during braking, I didn't hear any noise. But if I applied the brakes and it was rolling, the front and rear tires were actually rolling and it was slowing down, it would click. And so I locked the brakes on and I would roll it by hand, and I determined the noise was coming from the front end, the differential in the front. And what I found when I changed it was that it was missing a tooth on this, I guess this would be the ring gear. And so you can see right there, it's missing, and then these teeth were kind of ground down. So every time it would roll around to this spot, it was skipping, and that was the clicking sound that I was hearing. So if anyone's hearing a clicking sound when you're braking, it's very possible it's your front differential. And maybe it's missing a tooth, or maybe you got bad bearings and there's some play allowing the ring gear to come out from the pinion. I guess this one would be. Pinion gear is still okay shape, but the teeth are kind of rounded off, so I replaced the whole assembly. You can get this assembly on eBay. I bought it for, I don't know, $15. Probably should have bought two to have a spare, but whatever. Only had to wait a few days for this to come in the mail, so not a big deal. But yeah, there you go. So clicking when you're braking is probably your front differential, or maybe the rear. Have to check it out. Later.